Hello, I'm Vinay, and this is DSP assignment 4. Uh, I've taken this code from GitHub, which I'll be putting it in the document. In this code, I'll be working on a data set of called 20 news groups, which consists of 18,000 news groups, which has a post of 20 topics. And these are split into two subsets. It's already split into two subsets, one for training and testing. And since it's a text file, I'm using TF-ID vectorizer here to convert the text and extract the features. And I'm downloading this dataset from sklearn. I'm importing names, which is a dictionary or corpus of 8,000 male and female names, and WordNet Lamatizer to just to return the word whichever has been inputted. If it is not found in WordNet, WordNet again is a dictionary of various words. So moving along, I have assigned the functions with certain variables here, that is the names function and WordNet Lamatizer function, and I'm creating a dictionary here of documents, and I've defined a function called clean text, in which the word Lamatizer uses from WordNet and removes all the names and appends only the words into this dictionary. And in this, from the 20 posts, I've used 5 posts, that is like atheism, religion, graphics, space, and hockey. And these are my classes, and I'll be using SVM model in this to as a classifier to train the model and find and to test the prediction with a test data set. Since it is already divided into two subsets, I'm not using train test split here. I'm just directly assigning train and test data set. Here what I'm doing is I'm calling the clean text function on the train data, and I have retrieved all the labels for train and test data. Here I have used TF-IDF feature extraction, where fit transform is used is a method used to learn the vocabulary and features by the model, and to return a particular document matrix, which is just the count of words. And the same I have used just the transform function here for documents to return the document matrix for the test data. I've used the SVM model here, which is I've assigned SVM as a variable, and I've fit the train set here. And to find the accuracy score, I've used the clean test and the label test. So the accuracy for the multi-class classification using SVM was came out to be 86.8%. Here what I've done is I've got individual performance on individual classes, like how well SVM classified 5 different classes and with what accuracy. So I've imported metrics classification report from sklearn metrics. I've used the clean the transform data set here, test data for prediction, and have your classification report I've used on label test and the prediction model. So we get a overall accuracy for all the 5 classes of predictions here, and overall summary is 87%. I've done the same with the binary classification, where I've chosen only 2 posts or 2 topics, and I've done the same here. Subset of train and subset of test have cleaned the data using the clean text function over there. And this is just to check the labels on the train data set. So 584 have been assigned as 0 and 593 has been assigned as 1. Here again I'm using TF-IDF vectorizer to get rid of stop words and maximum features of 8,000, that is the words of 8,000. And again I've transformed train and test set and imported SVM here and fit the train and test model for only 2 classes, and I found out the accuracy. So it came out to be 96.4%, and I've done the same. I've imported classification report and found out the prediction test for individual classes by the SVM, And as we can see, SVM works better for binary classification rather than multi-class classification. Thank you.